Hey guys, welcome back to our new videos of web designing. And today we will learn about something about new features, new styling, new HTML concept as well. Okay, so I will teach you all the things as well, understood? And we'll try to be clear about the syntax and all the things as well. Like today we will teach you HTML, CSS. So whenever in previous videos we have studied like styling, color, background color. If you know that, if you haven't watched my previous video, you can watch that. You will understand all the things. But don't worry, in this video you can also learn and implement it in your web application as well. So firstly, we'll try to explain. Okay, so see. CSS, HTML style CSS. Whenever we write the colors, like we have a write HTML, so we want to how should be write the colors, change the background, set the images as well, right? So we'll explain in this video. Okay, understood? So let's start. So CSS stands for cascading style sheets. Somebody can ask you like what is CSS, so you can tell them about CSS. Like CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. In a single page, if you write CSS, okay, and all web pages like you have 15, 30, and multiple web pages you have, no matter how many pages are there, you can handle in a single CSS file as well. Okay, we will learn type of CSS as well, how to be handle that. Okay, understood? Like this, understood? So what is CSS? So you can see cascading styles is used to format the layout of web page. With CSS, you can control the color, font size, font, the size of text, the spacing between elements, how elements are positions and laid out, what background, what you can change the background, how you can set the background images as well. Okay, what you can set the background color, like this one, you are looking something yellow type. Okay, this is background color. Okay, and are to be used different displays for different devices and screen sizes and much more. Okay, so using type of CSS is, so there is three type of CSS like inline, by using the style attribute inside HTML element. In previous video, I have explained about CSS like inline CSS. So you can see in this my code as before I have explained this example. Let's open once again. So it's not here. So might be there something. Okay, um, let me open it. This one. Why? This one we have file. Okay, so we can write here like style inline CSS, that is text center. Okay, it will be text will be center. Okay, style attribute, this one is style attribute. Okay, internal CSS by using style element in the head section. This is head section. Okay, this one, this will head section. Inside that you can use inline styling internal CSS. Okay, if you have a single file and you want to use classes with the CSS, so internal CSS you can use your um, head section. Inside the head section, write this one is like before. This one, class name, there will be what class name we can keep it like message. Okay, message, we can write the class name as message, and you can write class name here uh, like style before. I'm defining just for name class is equal to message. Okay, this message you have written here. Okay, this you have defined your class. Excuse me. And inside head section, you can write your class, and you can change the background color fonts. Okay, you can set the images as well. Okay, understood? Let's explain other external by using the link. Okay, element to link and external CSS. We can use the like you have another file, you have created another file. You can use by link. Okay, linking your file will tell you. Furthermore, in common ways, the add CSS to keep the styles in HTML CSS. Many times the peoples we will use in more upcoming videos as well. We will use external CSS, not to match more with the inline CSS. Okay, we'll try after that. Okay, inline CSS. This one, as I told you in my video also. H1 is style color like blue. Okay, blue heading. Okay, you can set your internal CSS, how you can use line head section. This one. Okay, we have written here. This one is head is closing and head is open here. Okay, in that you have right style. Okay, it's like before, we have forgot it. Okay, we can style here, we can write style. Okay, and we can close style here as well. Okay, understood. By this, it will take color. We can write any color, font size, any type you can CSS right here. Okay, this is internal CSS. Okay, with the practical basis we are learning, as well as we are theoretical basis we are learning. With the clearly, we are clearing the concept as well. Okay, and further videos and upcoming videos will be practical, focus on the practicals. Okay. And external styles is used to define the style of many HTML pages. Like we have many new HTML pages, and we want to use a single file. Okay, whenever no need to change many more times again and again. So you can change in a single file, and that will reflect in other files as well. Okay, so like you have external file name is style.css. Okay, in head section you can write linking. Okay, as before we tell you. Okay, link relational, which type of relation is the style sheet. Okay, href file, file location. Okay, and you can pass the file name as well, and that will change your if you write in this file common css, and it will reflect in other web pages as well. Okay, so we what we have learned here, like this one is style css, you have this is external css, we will tell you furthermore. Okay, background color, you can change the heading color as well, paragraph color as well. Okay, we can change the font size. Okay, fonts, colors. Okay, font family as well. As before we have told you, like font family banana, font size 1300 pixel, 1300%. Okay, you can change the border as well. Okay, padding, you can pass the paddings. Okay, if you in your mind, it might be coming that like what is padding? Okay, the CSS padding property defines a padding space between the text and the border. Okay, between the text and the border. Like this one is text. Okay, this one is border. We can write the padding right, padding left. Okay, 2 pixel solid blue powder blue. Okay, we can write this one like this. Okay, we can write. We will use it. CSS, when we study CSS, okay, we will explain more furthermore. The CSS margin property defines the margin space outside of the border. Okay, and furthermore you can learn yourself as well. Okay, so next we will go to try to understand the links. What the whenever you have seen like you are clicking the any websites, you are redirecting to that page. Okay, that websites opens. Okay, like you have right like there is a button like Facebook. Okay, you are clicking on that button, you redirecting to that page. Okay, So that passes the link here. So we'll explain here hyperlinks. Okay, like this one. Links are found in nearly all web pages. Links allow users to click their way from page to page. Okay, you can get like this one previous page. We can go to next page as well. Okay, this is a link as well. Okay, you can click on link and jump to another document as well. Okay, how we can write it? Anchor tag defines a hyperlink. It's the has the following syntax. This has the following syntax. Like start the anchor tag, okay, href, pass the URL, your page, web page, and link. Like this is home and home.html. You can pass home.html, and whenever you click on that and home, and you will be redirected to that page. Okay, understood? Okay, so target attribute, uh, self, blank, parent, top. These are the some of the uh, targeted attribute as well. Okay, so next page. uh, HTML links use an image. Many other people. So let me explain one thing. If you mind, in your mind, it might be. So this one many user developers uses like this one underscore blank. So whenever we pass like here, okay, href, you provide your URL, web URL, okay, target underscore blank. It will be open in new page, okay, in new page, not same page. When you click this one, okay, it will be open in new tab, okay, not same tab. That's why we use opens the document in a new window or tab. Okay, this is also telling the same page. Okay, you can understand very well. If you practical it, we will practical it, we will learn it. Okay, in further more videos as well. Okay, not much more. Okay, you can like email address, link to email. You write something email, passing email, you can email to. Inside the href attribute, create a link that opens the user's email program. Okay, which type is email you are passing. You can pass the image also. Okay, on clicking the image, you could redirect to that web page. Okay, button or is a link on button. Okay, button clicking is before telling you facebook.com, you are clicking on the facebook.com and you are redirecting on that page. Okay, understood? Okay, so what we learned, the colors, different colors, as previous video we have learned. Okay, visited over, we will learn in CSS. In furthermore videos in CSS link, this one is button color. Okay, bookmark, not needed much more. So links is link is needed. Link CSS, I have explained the link and CSS as well. Okay, not needed much more. Okay, and explain the images as well. What images like you want to display the images as well in your web pages. You want to display the images like this one. Okay, you wants to display the web pages. So what you can like image src, pass your image name. Okay, with the URL as well. You can pass alternate like Italian, Julie. Okay, you can name anyone related to this image. Okay, and pass another email as well. Okay, email address. Okay, type of keep remember pass extension of image as well. Okay, like PNG, JPG, JPEG, SVG type of images are there. You can pass the extension properly. It will display. Otherwise, it will not display. Keep remember. Understood? What is the syntax? Sometimes people ask you what are the image tag as well. You can write. Okay. The HTML image tag used to embed an image in a web page. Right. This one like this one. Okay. So SRC is the attribute. This is image. IMG is the tag. Keep remember. Somebody asked you like in first video I have told you like a tags and attributes. Okay. In this video and we are explaining more again. So attributes with and tag. So img is here. What is tags? Okay. SRC is attributes. Understood? So the path URL of an image. Clear? So alt attribute is here also passes B. Okay. So Somebody ask you like moreover times you will see that keep remember this alt attribute also. So what alt attribute is that? The required alt attribute provides an alternate text for an image. Anybody can remember the what type of image is that. That's why. Okay, the user some reason cannot view it because of slow connection and error in the associative user is a screen reader. Okay, sometimes it breaks, like image is not loading properly. If you forgot something like internet connection has disconnected. Understood? So you can see the alt. This will display. Okay, image might be not display, but alt will display. So you will remember it and you will go to the code and you can change it. Okay, what error is getting, so you can change this. That will be more convenience. Okay, understood. Okay, you can set the image size as well. Okay, uh, you can set the height and height and width of image as well. Like style inline CSS, we are writing here inline CSS 500 pixel height should be 600 pixels. Okay, so we will learn in further more videos as well. Okay, keep practice, keep learning. Okay, we will meet you in next video. Till now, thank you, bye bye, and if you like the video, keep subscribe. Thank you, bye bye.